This is my spell effect slash firework. It's really more of a blue fireworky type thing. And so this uses a similar particle system, but it doesn't worry about collisions or anything like that. And in the compute physics, it changes from blue to purple over time, as well as that's pretty much it. And the interesting thing about it is that the way that the particles are generated is instead of just over time being generated like the other two particle systems, it actually generates them as you click on the screen. So here's the mouse pressed, and it calls a different emitter, the air emitter, which is basically the same thing as the ground emitter, but at a Y value as well, and generates random velocities to be all sorts of random. So there's a little bit of variance in the Y velocity, and then quite a bit of variance in the X velocity and Z velocity, so that it spreads out a lot. And then so the mouse press generates 100 particles per mouse press, but you can only have 500 particles going at once, because otherwise it gets a little bit slow. And so it just calls the air emitter to get those positions and velocities, and then fills up the particle list normally, and then they age normally in the draw function using this loop. So they'll eventually get deleted, so you can click again.